guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, I'm Sakaela. So I'm gonna put on some lip gloss. I'm coming at you guys with a hair review. This hair was sent to me by DYHAIR777. Finally they sent me hair, because if you don't know, I will link the video in the cards, which should be up here. I did a review for them before. I spent my own money on the hair, and I've really got a lot of views, so they should have been hitting me up, but it's fine. I'm joking. But yeah, they sent me this wig right here. It is their Cambodian natural wave lace front wig in 130% density, 16 inches. This is the hair right here. 16 inches hits me just above my boobs. The hair is nice. I didn't know that I liked it or not. I think I just like wasn't really feeling the frontal, not because like the frontal is bad, but because I personally didn't do the frontal correctly. But I had relaid it again this morning to film the video because it was not looking cute this time. But yeah, anyway, let's talk about shipping. This one came in like 3 days, and I'm in England right now, so I don't know what that means, but like if that's, but it came swift, like 3 days it came. It's so soft. It's so soft. It's so nice. Like, I do like the length though, I can't lie. I'm used to long lengths, like, you know, I normally do like 20, at least 20 inches. But yeah, I like the length, I like the texture. I thought I didn't like the texture on me. I was like, I don't really like the texture. Well, it's cute, like, you know, it's cute, like, it's nice. But yeah, the hair itself is really is nice. It's really soft. What I have in it is some Cream Nature mousse. It's a lace frontal, so is this a frontal or is this one of the word frontals? Is it a frontal? I think it's a frontal. What I mean by a frontal? Yeah, it's a frontal. I mean, like, cause sometimes the frontals, it's like it'll be long in the center and then the sides is in like an inch of space, but it's a normal length frontal. The frontal goes all the way across. The frontal is nice. It matches my skin tone like perfectly. Like, I bleached the knots or whatever, but like the lace color, which I didn't choose, so I think it only comes one lace color, it matches perfect. I had to put no makeup on it or nothing. How much was it? I don't know. Not sure. I think it was like $100. But don't quote me. Let's see. 108, yeah. $108. So just over $100 for this right here. It looks natural, like it's a natural length. Like if you're looking for like an everyday, like, you know, go to school, you ain't really trying to like slay on these chicks, but you trying to like, you know, slay, like this is a good wig for that. I haven't experienced any shedding or any tangling. She's very manageable, like it don't take too much. You could just spray it down with some water, to be honest. You ain't gotta put product in it. Some of these hair textures I don't think like product, so you can just spray it down with some water, put a little mousse if anything, and you're good to go. Like, it should be good for the day. It shouldn't get too big, like it's not like crazy or nothing. I really like this texture. It's really cute, actually. It's really nice. But yeah, so I don't know if there's anything else that you need me to say. I don't know if I've forgotten anything in this video. I think I covered all my bases. But if I didn't, leave me a question down in the comment section and I'll answer it, of course. All of the specs and the links and the this and the that and everything for the hair and the company will be in the description box as well. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you know you want to be lit with me. Follow me on Instagram and me on Snapchat, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.